What are the benefits Malaysians can enjoy with the launch of GST? Basically, GST is a better tax system for a country, proven by 146 countries that have already implemented it. Let's assume that the 4% GST rate will be implemented to replace the current 10% sales tax and 6% service tax. The government will be able to get an extra 6.3 billion ringgit revenue for the first 2 years. 9.7 billion ringgit will be channeled into the country's capital if 5% GST is implemented. Moreover, GST that replaces the current SST will provide a lot of advantages to our people, such as fair pricing to consumers. GST eliminates double taxation, so consumers will pay fairer prices for most goods and services compared to SST. Greater transparency. Consumers will benefit under GST as they will know exactly whether the goods they consume are subject to tax and the amount of tax they pay. Improve standard of living. The revenue from GST could be used for development purposes, for social infrastructure to further improve the standard of living. Lower cost of doing business. Some businesses pay multiple taxes and higher levels of cascading tax under the current tax system. With GST, businesses can benefit from recovering tax input, thus reducing the cost of doing business. Nation building. GST is a better and more efficient method of revenue collection for the government. More funds can be channeled into nation building projects for progress towards achieving a high-income nation. Fairness and equality. With the GST, taxes are levied fairly among all the businesses involved, whether they are in the manufacturing, wholesaling, retailing, or service sectors. Enhanced delivery system. GST will be administrated in a fully computerized environment, therefore speeding up the delivery, especially for refund claims. This makes it faster, more efficient, and reliable. Increased global competitiveness. Prices of Malaysian exports will become more competitive on the global stage as no GST is imposed on exported goods and services. This will strengthen our export industry, helping the country progress even further. Enhanced compliance. The current SST has many inherent weaknesses, making administration difficult. GST system has an inbuilt mechanism to make the tax administration self-policing and therefore will enhance compliance. Reduces red tape. Businesses must apply for approval to get tax-free materials and also for special exemption for capital goods under SST. But with GST, this system is abolished as businesses can offset the GST on the input in their returns. 146 countries around the world have implemented GST. The national tax rate varies country to country. For example, Denmark 25%, Germany 19%, UK 20%, China 17%, Indonesia 10%, Vietnam 10%, and Singapore 7%. Malaysia rate has yet to be defined yet. It should be around 4 to 7%, one of the lowest in the world.